Yeah. All right, who do we have here?
Devin.
Devin, what are we doing?
Jumping out of a plane.
With a total stranger. You trust me to throw you out even though we just met?
I trust you enough.
Yeah? Whose idea was this?
It was mine. My
so it's your fault.
birthday.
Happy birthday to Gramps.
Happy birthday, Grandpa.
Any last words, final comments, confessions?
I'm gonna go out and have some fun.
We are.
Yeah. Marie, love you. Kids, love you.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer.
Put all my trust in this
tablet,
guy right here.
Phone, burn all of it, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock a sky to have some fun. Here we go. High five. Oh yeah. All right, guys. Here we go. Get in this thing. Let's get up. Let's get out. Go rock the sky. Have some fun. You all ready? Holy cow. High five. High five. Here we go.
Awesome. Yeah. Heck yeah. Fun, man. Woo! Heck yeah. Wow, felt
Alrighty, we made it back to the ground. What do you think of that?
Back. Fun.
Round 2 better than round 1, right?
Way better.
Always better.
Way better. Thank you.
Shout out Colorado Springs. Thanks for coming out. Woo!